And let's go over number 11. So 24 to 78 songs. So now we're going to find percent of change. So you compare change to original. So what is a change? Change is 24 to 78. So you subtract from the new number minus 24. Minus 24, which is 64. And what's the original number of songs here? It is 24 because it's from 24, right? Over 24. So now we're going to calculate 64 divided by 64 over 24. 24. So now if you divide it by 2, it's going to be 32 over 12. We can do one more time. Divided by 2, or you can just divide it by 4, I think. 16 over 6 and 8 over 3, right? 8 over 3. So now we have to find the percentage for this fraction. When you have a fraction, to change it to percentage, you can just multiply by 100. So it's going to be 800 over 3. If you calculate this, it's going to be, let me just put it on the board, put it on here. Okay, so 800 divided by 3, 2, 6, 26, 18, 26, 18. I think it keeps going, right? It will repeat. So after 266, then you know that 6 will be repeating. So the answer is going to be 266.6% increase, about. So it is 266.6% increase. Let's practice. Like, for example, when you have like 1/5, and what is a percent? If you rewrite in percentage, then what is it going to be? If you just multiply by 100, it's going to be 20%, right? Let's just double check 1/5 and what is out of 100. So if you do cross multiplication, it's going to be 5x is equal to 100. So you know that x is equal to 20, right? You can go through this way, but this is a shortcut. You just multiply by 100 to the fraction, then you will get percentage, okay? All right, we're going to talk about discounts and markups. It's about percent increase and percent decrease. So it's about like percent of change. So discount, definition of discount. A discount is it increase or decrease? It's decrease in the original price of an item, right? So if there's like 10% discount or 20% discount, then you may say, oh, I can pay less money than the sales price, right? Now let's talk about markups. So let's say a store buy a product and they're going to sell it to you. So in this process, they are trying to make a profit. So they want to get money. They want to earn money. That's why they just, sell product like with less money, and they're going to sell it with the markups. So that markup is going to be their profit. So to make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay. So the increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called a markup. So for example, like let's say a store bought like iPad, let's say like $200, and they want to sell it. So the selling price, think about the selling price. Like selling price, there's a tag, and if you are the owner of the store, are you going to put like 200? What number are you going to put it here? You're not going to put 200 because you're not going to make any money. Let's say you bought $200. And the selling price should be more than this. Let's say like you are just, selling some stuff on eBay, and you bought like something at 200. So the selling price should be more than this number. For example, like 250 or 300, right? If you put like 180, no one's going to do this, right? Because you're going to lose money. So to think about like make a profit, and the amount between like 200, the original amount that you pay, and the selling price, which is here, I'm going to choose 250. So this change, which is $50, is going to be the markup, right? So now we're going to talk about it with the percent. First example, we're going to find a sale price after 25% discount. Everyone says 25% here, right? So 25% off. All right, so now original price was $35. What is the sale price? So basically sale price is, you're going to find the discounted price from the original price, right? The tag price, original price. So I need you to copy it down. So sale price is basically original price minus discounted price, discounted amount, right? So now let's find the sale price. Sale price. So what's the original price? $35, right? And what is a discount? Discounted amount is, it's 25% of $35, right? What's a 25% of $35? So 25% of $35, let's use proportion. So 25 of 100, and 35 is the whole, right? 35, and we're looking for the part, right? And 25 over 100 is 1/4. So 1/4 x over 35. So you can do 4x. Let's do cross multiplication. And 35 divided by 4 and divided by 4. So if you do 35 divided by 4, 8, 32, and 3, and decimal, and put down 0, and 7, 28, and 2. So you have to put another 0, and 5. So it's going to be $8.75. If you subtract this from 35, and you're going to find the answer, right? I'm going to do 35 minus $8.75 here. So make sure that you line up the decimal points. So it's going to be 25. And so this is going to be 4 and 6 and 26. So you're actually paying $26.25. So the next we're going to review this question. Markup is 20%. So the store pays $70, and they're going to add 20% of 70. This is going to be their profit, right? And this is going to be selling price. So let's look at how to find a selling price. It's a cost to store. You need to find the amount of money that the store pays. So that's called cost to store. And you add markup, right? Markups. And this is going to be store's profit. So it says markup is 20%. So now let's find the selling price. Selling price is going to be $70, and it should be 20% of 70, right? So what is a 20% of 70? 20 to 100, and we're looking for the part out of 70, and this can be simplified to 1/5. You better simplify it over 70, right? So it's going to be 5x is equal to 70. X is equal to 14. So you add $14 to $70. So $84 is going to be the tag price. And 14 is your profit.